Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add an explosive effect to your videos using Capcut app. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the Capcut app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you have the app open, tap on the New Project button to add a new video clip. Select the video clip from your gallery where you want to add the explosion effect and tap on Add. Now on your video, you need to find the spot where you want the explosion to happen. So use the timeline to drag through your video and pause at the right moment. So I want my explosion to happen when I say hello. So I'll pause it over here. Next up, here you can see the effects button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. So this is the effects page. Scroll down until you find the explosion effect. Here you can see the explosion effect. Tap on it to apply it to your video.
Hello everyone, how are you doing?
Tap on the check mark over here. Now again you can adjust the duration and position of your explosion effect. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the moment you want the explosion to happen. So you can tap on the play button to preview if it's okay.
Hello everyone, how are you doing?
So once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, you can now export this video to save it on your device. Here you can see the export button at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And that's it. You've successfully added an explosion effect to your video using Capcut on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.